Heading into the evening hours, all of this wet snow, slushy snow across the area, still causing some slippery spots on area roads. But this is an 8-inch report here in that Cormorant Lakes area. So Lakes Country picking up 6 or more inches of snow in places, as was the case in areas just south of the FM area that saw a healthy 4-inch total as well. Falling rivers at Oslo. We are in the moderate stage there. The snow will continue to keep rivers a little bit higher, but we're not expecting them to go up, mind you, just remain high just a little bit longer. That Oslo area, the main trouble area. Tonight, our focus is on the wind and the cold and those icy roads that will accompany those conditions. The slushy roads, the wet roads will all turn a little bit on the slippery side as they've been throughout the day. North winds at 22 miles per hour measured at Hector, making it feel like 14 degrees, even though your thermometer on the car says it's in the upper 20s. A lot of upper 20s up and down the Red River Valley. Roseau and Badette in the low 30s, as is Wadena. Jamestown, Devil's Lake warming into the mid 30s as we head into the afternoon. Factor in the winds and the Red River Valley here, the coldest with the iciest wind chill value of 12 degrees. That's in Grand Forks. A little bit of clearing going on to the north and to the west, and some late day sun helping things out there. A little bit of remnant snow in central Minnesota near St. Cloud and Duluth and Superior. Gustiest winds, Jamestown and the Red River Valley. We still have gusts over 30 miles per hour, and this is set to continue into the evening and even overnight for us. Some reduced visibilities here and there in those bands of snow working their way through eastern portions of Minnesota. This same storm system causing an outbreak of severe weather along this line, this Boeing segment of thunderstorms out here. Gusty straight line winds accompanying these storms, and in Jackson, Mississippi, and in the Memphis area, active tornado warnings continue for those folks as an outbreak of severe weather occurs there. Our yellow wind arrows continue into the evening hours, so that means gusts over 30 miles per hour at times will continue, but some breaks in the clouds out to the west, and we cannot rule out a renegade flurry of snow across our eastern counties through the overnight. You see them dancing across the screen there? All right, north winds continue, 15 to 25 miles per hour is how we'll start our day. Then as we head into the day, we're expecting the sunshine to spread from west to east. Temperatures will slowly rise. It won't be warm as we go through your midday, and in fact, we'll stay below average for this time of the year, but a good chance at seeing some 40s. In our western counties, we might even see some mid 40s. Now, no snow in Grand Forks, no snow up in the Park River area of significance, and thanks to that, you may actually see temperatures in the low 40s briefly on your Thursday afternoon. Where we have snow to melt, we're going to be stuck in the 30s for most of us to near 40 degrees. We'll kiss 40 here in Fargo as we go through our afternoon. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour will be strongest in the morning hours, still a little gusty even. And that means wind chilly. Wind chills will be around 10 degrees, but above zero. Tomorrow evening, clear skies, less wind means some pretty cold temperatures into your Friday. Miss Robin singing to Hutch saying, "I thought you said it was spring." Tom, thanks so much for sharing your photo. Here's a look at your planning forecast. It gets a whole lot better Friday as we'll kiss 50 degrees. Then on Saturday, the weekend starts after a cool front moves through, just a pinch cooler, but all in all, still lovely weather. Sunday, can't rule out a sprinkle, maybe even a flurry if it happens in the morning hours here with temperatures in the 20s. All in all, though, we're on our way to a 50-degree close to the weekend. Next week looking pretty good. Cannot rule out some unsettled weather Tuesday and Wednesday, but all in all, it looks pretty good.
And that's when you will say again, spring is here.
You know, spring does bring a few whiplash moments like
Yes.
this one. So,
Okay.
yes.
Thanks. Spring plan.